BGMI और क्रिकेट?
क्रिकेट।
विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा? विराट कोहली और निपुन मार्या? iQOO Neo 10R, one of the most powerful phones under 30,000 rupees, has been launched in India. But today it's not about the smartphone. Today I'm sitting with Nipun Marya, the CEO of iQOO India. Hello sir.
Hi.
Welcome to Digit.
Yes. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too sir. So my first question to you is about the iQOO Neo 10R, a new model in the Neo lineup. Why do you think it was needed?
I think it was very much needed. A lot of our fans used to tell us that can we have a Neo series product in the 25,000 rupees price range. They wanted, the best of gaming experience, high performance that the Neo series stands for, but they wanted it at a price point of 25,000. Our Neo 9 Pro, which was a huge success, was at around 35k, right? So hence 25,000 rupees phone with the DNA of iQOO Neo series was needed, and I think this phone, the Neo 10R, certainly fits in all aspects.
What are the other models in the Neo series we can expect this year?
I think right now Neo 10R is what we've launched. I think it offers exceptional performance from Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, 1.7 million Antutu score, UFS 4.1 storage, 6,400 mAh battery. In a phone like this, I think you should hold it in your hand and see.
Yeah, I know.
Less
it's very
than 8
light.
mm, less than 8 mm in thickness, less than 200 grams in weight. I think it's really a formidable phone in the new series.
But do you want to say anything on the Neo 10 Pro, since Pro models has been successful for you?
I can't say anything right now. I think Neo 10R is a perfect phone for anybody who's looking for a device in this price range.
Alright. My next question to you is, while iQOO phones have solid performance, including the Neo 10R, we ourselves have tested the phone and it performed really well in all our testing. But there is still some bloatware on the phone. So what difficulties do you face as a smartphone maker in providing a clean UI?
So I think there are a couple of aspects and we need to understand those aspects. Firstly, bloatware as a term, I think it's being used slightly loosely. Where anything and everything that is an app which may or may not, in most cases is useful as well for a large number of people, is being categorized as bloatware, which I personally don't think is totally correct. Because I believe the decision of what should stay in the phone and what shouldn't be of the user, and we as iQOO certainly give you that choice. If you don't like a particular app, you have the option to delete that app, firstly. Secondly, with the Neo series and the flagship, we have also said one feedback that we received was around hot apps and hot games, and in the Neo series we have removed both hot apps and hot games, and whatever apps are there which we think basis our consumer feedback is relevant for the consumer. Still, if you think it's not relevant for you, then you have all the freedom and all the rights to delete those apps.
Okay.
Hence, I think just painting everything with a single brush is a slight miscommunication and misleading on part of consumer experience.
But the majority of people like their phones to be clean. The UI should be clean. So can we expect an iQOO phone completely bloatware free?
So again, I think it's you cannot paint all consumers with the same brush. You cannot say that majority like that. There are sections of people of all types, right? Like there are people who prefer brand A versus brand B versus brand C, feature set A versus feature set B versus feature set C. Similarly, there are consumer preferences even in softwares. I can tell you for iQOO phones, we all our phones, when it comes to consumer experience, consumer ratings, NPS scores are 4-star plus, 4.1 star plus. If people are dissatisfied or not happy with the experience of the software, right, it is not that they will start rating you 4.2 star, 4.3 star, which are over thousands of ratings. So the fact that it is working for people, I think is what we should focus on.
Alright, so iQOO as a brand known for its performance and gaming, but other brands are also going to that space, such as Realme, OnePlus and even Infinix. How are you planning to compete with them?
I think the competition is more than brand A, brand B, brand C. I think it's more about how you can satisfy your consumers better. The fact that we believe that this is iQOO's DNA. We believe in delivering high performance smartphones, phones that are really innovative. I think that's the thrust of iQOO. Not as much about can we do better than brand A or brand B. The fact that can we give the best possible experience and in fact delight consumers with iQOO products. As long as we can keep doing that, I think we're in the right direction.
What do you have to say about the gaming and performance in sub 10,000 rupees smartphones? What do you think, how much of performance can you offer in a sub 10,000 rupees smartphone?
See, if you put a price cap, like in this case you have put, again it's about maximizing whatever you can offer in that price point. And with different price points, of course, there will always be a limitation to how much you can offer. I think consumers are very smart today. If somebody is really buying a phone sub 10,000, then he or she understands that if I'm buying a 10,000 rupees phone, then I can expect performance up to this level. And as long as you can satisfy that, I think it is fine.
Can you shed some light on iQOO's offline expansion?
So, we got constant feedback from a lot of our fans that, iQOO phones, can they be available in the mainline channel? So, from the last couple of months, we have started providing iQOO smartphones to mainline channel as well.
Many people in India don't know about iQOO still. So what are you doing for the brand awareness?
You are absolutely right. Still, even amongst the Gen Z and other people, iQOO is not as widely known, and I think it is very natural. For any brand, when it grows, the word of mouth and everything spreads slowly. With iQOO, the good thing is our word of mouth is very positive. People who are using iQOO phones are giving very good ratings, as I mentioned before. Their word of mouth amongst their friends, recommendation amongst friends is very good. I think that is what is helping us, and we will like to focus on that. In fact, our researches also show that the number one reason for purchasing a particular smartphone is word of mouth. And as long as iQOO word of mouth is good, I think overall the brand is in the right direction.
Alright, so one last question before we start this or that. You've launched the iQOO 13 as a flagship, and now the iQOO Neo 10R as a mid-range is also here. What's next now?
What's next? I think more products in the direction of iQOO.
Can you hint at one?
Very difficult to hint on any specific product right now. I think Neo 10R is what we are focusing on and launching it. So let's just enjoy the Neo 10R for now.
Alright, sir. So, okay, one last thing. This or that. I'll give you two options. You have to answer one very quickly, and the rule is that you can use both words only 2 times. So, do you enjoy working on a new mid-range phone or a flagship phone?
Mid-range.
Mid-range phone. Processor or battery?
Processor.
Processor. Gaming or photography?
Both.
BGMI or cricket?
Cricket.
Cricket. Cricket or tennis?
Tennis.
Tennis. Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma?
Virat.
Virat Kohli or Nipun Marya?
Virat.
Virat. iQOO Neo 10R or iQOO 13?
Both.
Both. Alright. Thank you so much, sir. Alright, guys. That was Nipun Marya for you. The iQOO Neo 10R review will be live on our YouTube very soon. Stay tuned and bye.